Alright, so let's solve longest consecutive sequence. First, we're going to get the handy dandy slide out here, or wherever it is. Okay, let's grab that here. Okay, so let's explain this code. What it's asking us to do is return the longest consecutive sequence in a given list, but we're going to convert it into a set because sets allow for quick lookup since they do not store values, they just store the number. And how we're going to do that to return the longest consecutive sequence, we got to put in here. Okay, so what we do is for each number in the set, we are going to check if the number -1 is even in the set. So if it's we're going to check if the number -1 is not in the set. And if we look at 200, 199 is not in the set. So now the length is 1. But while the length plus the number is in the set, which is not 201 is not there. Let's move on. Let's go all the way to 1. 1 -1 is not in the set, 0 is not in the set. So 1 plus 2 is in the set. So the length is going to be added one more. And now 1 plus the length, which is 3, is in the set. And then 1 plus the length, which is now 1 plus 4, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got 5 will be this. And all we do is return that to the problem. Let's just code it. It's a lot easier. Okay, so num set equals set nums streak equals 0 for num in nums. If num -1 not in num set, then we're going to set the length equal to 1. While plus length in num set, let's not increment, but let's add 1 to length, because obviously there'd be 1 more to the length. And we're going to get the max number between the streak and the length. So what max does is it just chooses the bigger number between the two. If streak is already bigger than length, it takes streak. If length is bigger than streak, it takes length and sets it to the new streak. And when we break out of it, we're going to return the streak. I am the worst teacher. It works, so yeah.